Hey Sarah, good morning.
Good morning, Allie. How are you today?
I'm good, just a little sleepy. I stayed up late last night.
Oh, really? That's not good. I always sleep early. I like to follow a routine.
A routine, like a daily schedule?
Yes, I follow the same routine every day. Do you want to hear about it?
Sure, I'm curious. What's your daily routine like?
Well, I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning.
That's early. How do you manage that?
I set an alarm, and I try not to hit the snooze button. After waking up, I stretch a little and get out of bed.
I usually wake up at 7:30. I always hit snooze at least twice.
That's common. After I get up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a glass of warm water. It helps me feel fresh.
Nice. I go straight to the kitchen for tea.
Tea is good too, but I take a quick shower next. It really wakes me up.
What about breakfast?
I never skip breakfast. I usually eat 2 boiled eggs and toast, sometimes with peanut butter or jam.
So what do you do after breakfast?
I leave home at 7:30 and go to college. My first class starts at 8 a.m.
Do you walk to college or take a bus?
I take the bus. It takes 15 minutes. On the way, I usually listen to a podcast or English audio. It helps improve my English.
That's smart. I just scroll through social media while I travel.
You should try listening to English stories. It's more helpful.
What do you do at college all day?
We have 4 classes, a lunch break, and a bit of study time. I also talk to my friends, work on assignments, and sometimes visit the library.
And when do you get home?
I reach home around 3 p.m. I eat lunch with my family, usually rice, curry, or chicken.
I eat late around 4 p.m. Sometimes I even skip lunch.
That's not healthy. After lunch, I rest for 30 minutes. Then I do my homework or work on my YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel too. What kind of videos do you make?
English learning videos just like this conversation.
That's amazing. I usually just play games in the evening.
Games are fun, but I also spend 1 hour reading or writing something in English.
What about your night routine?
At around 7 p.m., I help my mom with dinner or sometimes cook something simple. Then we all eat together around 8 o'clock.
I eat in front of the TV.
After dinner, I go for a walk on the rooftop or watch something.
That's so productive. I just scroll on TikTok till bedtime.
I try to stay off the phone after 9 p.m. At 9:30, I brush my teeth, set my alarm, and go to bed.
What time do you sleep?
Usually before 10 p.m. I believe sleeping early gives me more energy and better skin.
Thanks for sharing your routines, Sarah. I really learned a lot.
You're welcome. Try following a healthy routine too. It helps in learning and living better.
I will, starting tomorrow, maybe.
Good luck, Allie!